You
Okay.
nice to see.
I actually have a question for Randy. He was talking about how he changed the way he taught fractions and bringing more intuition into teaching, especially like in lower grades. Okay, so I'm from South Africa and we have primary school, high school, and then university. And we don't split our mathematics into like algebra and calculus. We just have one subject and it's called math. And
Mhm.
we learn math from grade one till matric, and then you go. And if you want to do it in university, you do it. But my question is, do you think it's important to teach the intuition before the practical application or alongside it? Because I think maybe like in primary school, it would be more important to do intuition before, but then because at university level, we are able to do it in parallel, like not before, because that's how I did my math in first year. Like I was like not, I like, we didn't really do the intuition part, and like I was able to absorb the knowledge. So yeah, that's just my question.
Sure. So the question is the intuition versus the procedural aspects and so on. So I
Yeah.
think both are important, and the kids benefit when you take both approaches. In terms of which to do first, usually I would say that the intuition part comes first and then the procedural part, but it actually depends on I think it depends on the topic. For some topics, it actually makes more sense to work on the procedural part first and work on that fluency, and then reintroduce it from an intuitive level. So in terms of which comes first, the intuition and conception versus the procedural, they're both important. Sometimes one comes before the others, but if you eventually end up doing both of them, I think it's a great benefit to students.
Thank you.
You're welcome.